There we go. Hey guys. This is the first time I've used this app to go live on Facebook, so I hope that it all works well, and if it doesn't, we'll tweak till we find the right combo. But anyway, I am here for Makeup Monday, a very quick tip on how to make your eye makeup look like you've taken the time to put on eyeliner without actually putting on eyeliner. And also to show you the beautiful Speak Volumes mascara from Arbonne. So I'm going to take off my glasses so that I can look in the mirror that I have put right behind the computer. And I'm going to show you that if you've ever seen any instructions that tell you to wiggle it at the bottom of your lashes, that's exactly what you want to do, because it deposits a little bit of extra color down there. So then it can leave your ends looking beautifully frilly and fine and delicate. You should definitely not poke yourself in the eye like I just did. But doing that wiggle right at the bottom gives it that look as if, oh, she put on some eyeliner today too. But it's still natural. It's not like, you know, a beautiful cat eye or anything. The other thing I wanted you to see is the difference with my blonde eyelashes that putting on a little mascara can make. So obviously it makes me look more awake and my eye more eye-catching. But the bottom line is it gives you beautiful definition and lift. It gives you that look of eyeliner when you don't have time to bother with eyeliner, and it will wash off with your standard cleanser or one of those makeup remover wipes. So that's your quick Makeup Monday little mascara tip, and I will see you next time.